Ziel, I've got parsley. Come here, Ziel. Here we go. It's time for the parsley. Yeah, we have much rabbity excitement here. Back up. Just like a wood chipper. Here it goes. Into the bunny maw. Uh-oh, I better get another piece ready, or all sorts of chaos will reign.
Chaos is bad, right?
Yeah. What, you don't like this piece? Uh-oh, it's a reject. Is this one better? Uh-oh, that's a reject too. I'm being climbed on. What, you don't like it? Okay, the parsley is finally being accepted. And the rabbit is sitting on my legs.
That is vastly entertaining.
She's just so cute, it's insane. Here, if I can get the green out of the way, you can see the parsley better. She's like sliding off my legs. I'm so glad I've got leggings on, or I'd be serrated with those little bunny claws.